Here's how you change to an itemized deduction on TurboTax. So first things first, we need to go to our federal taxes and then deductions and credits. Once we click on that, as we scroll down, there's going to be a continue section. Our standard versus itemized deduction is between these different sections here. And so we're going to hit continue, and you'll see that there may be some extra questions that pop up. And once you get past those, it'll tell you which deduction is right for you based on what you've entered so far. But as you scroll down here, there's a little button that says change my deduction. And so right now it looks like standard deduction is selected. So I'm going to switch that to itemized for my situation, and then I'm going to go through and fill out what I need to fill out. So we'll change my deduction, switch it to itemized, and then hit continue. That's how you can change from standard to itemized deduction. You can see it down here now. You've chosen itemized deductions. So let's keep going and lock that in. And so basically, no matter what it gives you, you can switch with that button down there to itemized. And so that's how you can change to itemized deductions here on TurboTax.